Hello everyone. Today we are gonna see another Mughal king's special dish prepared in the palace, Mughalaya Paratha. Is it not sounding interesting? I am taking 2 full cups of maida flour and I am adding little salt in it and I am adding half a teaspoon of baking powder. It will be available in all supermarkets. Even in online you can get it. If you don't have baking powder at home, you can use cooking soda. Mix them well. Along with that, I am adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of pure ghee. It gives softness. Mix everything well. Then slowly start adding water and make a soft dough as I am showing. Make soft dough like this and you have to keep it closed and keep aside for at least 30 minutes to make it set. We have to grind garlic cloves, ginger pieces and little pudina and keep them ready. I have kept all the veggies ready, chopped onions, chopped capsicums, small sized cut carrots, chopped green chilies, half lemon and 150 grams of grated paneer and grinded ginger garlic paste, and along with them keep all the masala ingredients ready: red chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric, jeera powder, garam masala powder and salt. Now take the tawa, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of butter in it and start adding all the veggies one by one: onion, green chilies, cut carrots, chopped capsicums, green chilies, everything. Mix them well, sort them, cook it for 30 seconds in low flame. Let it be half cooked, friends, because again we have to stuff it inside the maida roll and cook it on the tawa, and add ginger garlic mix and all the masala ingredients I have mentioned already: dhania powder, garam masala powder, salt, turmeric, everything. Mix them well and add the grated paneer. Mix them perfectly. Cook it for just 1 minute. Add coriander leaves. Let it be half cooked as I told already. Then you can switch off the burner. All the veggies should be crunchy and you can remove it to the normal plate or bowl. After 2 minutes, you can remove it from the tawa. Keep it aside. Let it come to the room temperature. Then we can start stuffing. After it comes to the room temperature, you can squeeze the lemon juice. I have taken half a lemon for this quantity. I am going to cook for 4 members. If you have more quantity, you can add half more lemon. And I am making maida rolls. You can take a medium sized ball, roll it nicely, and you have to roll it as you make chapati and naan. You have to make a very thin layer. Let it be very thin really, because we are gonna fold it from 4 sides afterwards. You will see it in the video now. So let it be the square sized and very thin layer. If it is very thin, it will be very crispy after making the Mughalaya paratha. And place the veggies mix in the middle of the roll. Probably you can keep 2 to 3 teaspoons of mixed veg and fold it from 4 sides. Let it be the square sized paratha. It looks so nice. There should not be any open or gap inside in the middle of the paratha. So cover it properly. Now the tawa is ready. Cook it in the low flame only. You can either use butter or ghee or refined oil to make the shallow fry. I am using refined oil because already we have added ghee and butter. You have to cook it from all the sides. It should change the color into golden brown color. So when you cook it in the low flame, it will be cooked properly inside and outside, and it will be crispy also. It should not turn to black color. It should be in golden brown color. Then it looks so beautiful. Everyone at home will love to eat it. Like this, as I am showing, you have to turn all the sides and make it fried, so that all the parts of the paratha will get cooked. Yes, it's almost done. We can remove it from the tawa. It's ready. Mughalaya paratha. So rest of the parathas also I am making in the same way. Is it not looking like a curry puff, friends? For me it looks like that. How simple making this. And it's very rich and healthy also. Just follow as I am showing. Mughalaya paratha is ready now. You can cut it and serve them with yummy onion pachadi or tomato ketchup. Wow, rich and healthy Mughalaya paratha is ready to eat. Friends, I hope you all definitely like my video. Please share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.